Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, I am decorating my Valentine's Day tree, and we're making Valentine's Day ornaments with plaster of Paris, and then we're dipping them in Marabou Easy Marble. I love this stuff, and you can get the most awesome marble effects. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say Happy Valentine's Day, and you know how much I love hearing from you. Are you ready? Let's make some Valentine's Day ornaments. In the 18th century, Paris became the center of plaster production, and hence the name Plaster of Paris. The chubby baby with wings and a bow and arrow that we call Cupid has been associated with Valentine's Day for centuries. However, before he was renamed Cupid, he was known to the ancient Greeks as Eros, the god of love. The term wearing your heart on your sleeve may have its origins in picking a Valentine. In the Middle Ages, during the festival of Juno, men would choose a woman they wanted to be coupled with, and then wore their names on their sleeves to show the bond during the festivities. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used and Marabou Easy Marble in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I will see you next week. Bye.